Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're going to talk about how you can recover suspended Twitter account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So first of all, open up your Twitter application and simply log in with your suspended account. Now, after logging in with your account, you will see a permanently suspended account message. Simply select the report and appeal option and you'll be brought to this page, and here select the reason for your appeal. Tap on drop down menu and select appeal a suspended account. You'll be brought to this appeal form page, but it shows an error in my case since I don't have a suspended account. When you will do it, you will see an appeal message asking you to enter your username, email address and description of appeal. Recently, the policies of Twitter have changed, so you will receive an email from Twitter as soon as you will submit the appeal. Starting that, you will get your account back in 5 to 7 days. And that's how you can recover your suspended Twitter account. And that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.